Hello everyone, this is Ning from Lens Lab Polimi. I will show you how to use a Miro-based version of the system map. Before we start, make sure you already have a Miro account. Then you can go to the Miroverse, search Lens Lab Polimi, and choose the tool. On the tool page, you can click Use Template to build a new board in your account, or click the arrow to put the template in a previous board you have made before. Let's start. The tool aims at designing, co-designing, and visualizing the stakeholders' configuration of sustainable product service systems. It is a graphical representation containing the stakeholders involved, the flows, interactions between them, either physical, financial, informational, or labor performance. Our tutorial will be here below the basic information of this tool. You can come back and check if you forgot something. By clicking the arrow on the top right corner of this button, you will be quickly navigated to the tool template. Here in the template is the border between main and secondary stakeholders. You can delete or move it outside the template if you don't need it. We need to start by knowing our stakeholders. We use the icons to represent our stakeholders as the same rule as the innovation diagram. Click the icon maker. Miro will navigate us to the board where we can create the icon easily. How to make the icons. If you have watched the tutorial video of the innovation diagram, you can skip this part. If you are new here, I will show you how. Double-click one of the three icon parts and modify it through the pop-up toolbar. Click Replace and replace from the board, then choose any icon to represent your existing offer. For example, you can select the Research Center as the structure icon. Click it and confirm, it will replace the default one automatically. With the same rules, you can modify all the three parts of the icon. Then, double-click the text part to change the description text as you want. After adjusting, please select the whole icon, copy it, and then click the System Map button to back, paste, and position it. Now, let me show you how to make the flow. There are two ways to make the flow. The first one is to make the flow in the Flow Maker. Click the flow to change the type of it by following the style guide. Replace the icon. Then copy and paste the flow to the system map. The second one is to connect different stakeholders directly in the system map, and then modify it by referencing the legend. After you finish the flow, you need to consider the partnership and ownership in this system. How to clarify the partnership and ownership. You can go to the Stakeholders Icon Maker board, copy the blue squares, and paste them into the system. If you want to export your system map, just choose the board and click the dots on the right of the pop-up bar, then select Export as an image. Isn't it easy and interesting? I hope our new tool version can help you create a better SPSS. To know more about the tool, you can check www.lenslab.polimi.it. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please contact us through the email addresses shown on the screen. We will be super happy to hear your voice. See you in the next video. Ciao.